on the 4 hours, we can clearly see like a reversal pattern around this level. Right? Can see clearly an inverse head and shoulder, right? An inverse head, shoulder, shoulder, head, another shoulder here. Then we have the break of this structure, right? We have the break of this structure higher. And if you know about chart patterns very well, right? If you know chart patterns very well, you can tell that this right here is a good chart pattern, right? It's a good continuation chart pattern, right? An ascending triangle, right? This is a very good chart pattern for me that I always look out for on my chart. Anytime I come to my chart, I always look out for this chart pattern. And when I have this chart pattern, I know it's a very good setup for me. So what I'll be expecting from this market, right, is to see price. Yes, is to see price giving us a breakout, right? As I said, this is a bit indecisive for me because on the higher time frame from monthly, you will notice that this is a very strong level, right? So what I'll be doing around this level is to be patient, very, very, very patient to see price taking out this level, right? I'll be very, very, very patient around this level to see price playing around, right? Price, price should play around, then give us this move, play around, then give us this move, or we see price giving us this, we double top, then we break below, back to this structure, right? Back to this structure because this is still a very good structure that is yet to be retested, right? So there's possibility that price will just give us this, and then that should be a pattern like this. The rising wedge. This is the rising wedge pattern. So price can actually give us this, or it will break above this ascending triangle. If price give us this, then it means it has formed a rising wedge, and there's high probability that price will come to break this level, then drop all the way back to this structure that is yet to be tested. Then before the next bullish impulsive move, or we'll see the break of this structure. So what we are going to be doing basically this week is to be very patient, to wait and see what price will do or what price is going to give us for this week. So I think from 4 hours we are cool. We are waiting for confirmation because even on the 1 hour there's nothing going on really. There's really nothing going on the 1 hour. There's no confirmation on the 1 hour. But basically this is what I'll be watching out for. Is either I see this pattern giving me a rising wedge, or this ascending triangle should keep on. Then we have the break of this strong resistance structure that has been going on for a year now. Then once we have the break of this structure, then I will expect a retest of this. Then further move to the upside, something like this. A break and close above. Then I expect